Many years ago, we would empty our bins and they would be packed full of plastic recyclable bottles. We don't have that anymore. My name is Mark Littlewood. I'm the Managing Director of OneAgency and the owner and director of Wensum Wharf here in Norwich. The vision for Wensum Wharf was to build the most inspiring office this side of Shoreditch. Early London Georgian architecture, factory-led aesthetics for our 50 creative individuals to do their best work for some fantastic clients. We chose the new Zip HydroTap because we were already familiar with the product, and frankly, reliability really matters. We needed something dependable that really looked nice, something that suited our interior. We've had Zip products before. We are fans of the brand. We're fans of the products. Having instant access to boiling, chilled, filtered, and I'll go as far as saying the best quality filtered water, fits perfectly into our agency culture. It enables our staff to integrate. It gives them a great chance at being able to shoot the breeze first thing in the morning. And I can tell by the amount of water bottles that are around this agency that people are using this tap. They are using it and enjoying it all day, every day. The hydrocare service is a really interesting point. We questioned whether we needed it or not. And actually, we're really glad we did. The peace of mind that the hydrocare package brings building owners, property developers, facilities managers, business owners, you just know it's covered. We spend a lot of time in offices all over the country. In my opinion, nothing beats the quality that comes from that tap. Any self-respecting commercial business owner should be considering a HydroTap.